Hope you guys are doing good. This is Dhruv from Tech Road and let's begin. So, story number one. Samsung recently launched Fold 3 and Flip 3 along with the Galaxy Buds and also Galaxy Watch. The Fold 3 and the Flip 3 are getting the latest internals along with 120Hz display and water resistance. And the Flip 3 would be starting in India from 85,000 rupees and it would be having a base storage of 128 GB, whereas the Fold 3 would be starting from 1.5 lakh rupees and it would be having a base storage of 256 GB. You will also be getting a 7,000 rupees cashback if you have an SDFC card. I have personally seen the reviews of the Flip 3 and the Fold 3, and according to me, Flip 3 is quite worth the price if you are into foldable phones. Well, also if you are using a Samsung phone right now, I have got a good news for you. Samsung is removing all the ads from the UI later this year. So I guess this is finally a time for us to purchase Samsung phone instead of the OnePlus. Like I know most of you would be using a OnePlus phone too because it has a great UI. And even though the Samsung has a great camera, great phones, but the UI was a bit laggy because of the ads. And now I feel that the ads are gone. It is a good time to purchase Samsung phones. A Pixel 5a 5G was launched yesterday by Google in US and Japan. Great phones, no doubt, but they are not available in India as of now. I guess it is because of the chip shortage which is happening all around the globe. So yeah, that's the reason. That might be the reason for it. Google launched Pixel Buds in India. They are starting from 10,000 rupees and they would be available on 25th August, and you could purchase it through Flipkart, Tata Click and Reliance Digital. We are just a month away from Apple's event, and even this year leakers are suggesting that Apple would be having two events, one specifically for the phones and other specifically for the MacBooks. Well, what can we expect this time from Apple's event? We would be getting an iPhone 13 lineup along with Apple Watch Series 7, AirPods Generation 3 and iPad mini and also iPad Generation 9 for the first event. And in the second event we would be getting a redesigned MacBook Pro 16-inch along with some Apple services which were rumored. I'm not sure which the services are, but yeah, the services are getting launched later on. Whereas a redesigned MacBook Air is coming later in 2022 as confirmed by Ming Chi Kuo and John Prosser. So this is it from my side this time, and I hope you guys loved this video, and if you did, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Till then, this is Dhruv signing off. You guys have a great day.